To download videos from Udemy, start by typing Udemy into your web browser's search bar and clicking on the udemy.com website. Once you're on the site, click the login button and fill out the required fields with your email and password to gain access to your account. After logging in, you'll see various categories, a search bar, and options like Udemy Business and My Learning. To proceed, navigate to the instructor dashboard by clicking on the Instructor option. From there, you can access the Udemy course, communication, and performance sections, and then scroll down to find the course you're interested in. Click on the Curriculum section. Select the lecture you want to download, and then click on Preview. Next, click on the gear icon in the video, which will give you the option to download the video. By following these steps, you should be able to download Udemy videos. If you find this information helpful, consider liking and sharing it, and subscribing to stay updated on similar topics. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.